We'll walk you through how to send an email from a mobile phone, step by step, for complete beginners. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. An email is a simple and effective way to communicate with colleagues, friends, or family. You can also attach files, photos, and documents, making it useful for both personal and professional use. In this guide, we'll show you how to send and receive emails directly from your mobile device. To begin, you need to open your email app. In most Android phones, this is Gmail. You can find it by swiping up on your home screen and using the search bar at the top, or by locating it inside the Google folder. When you open Gmail, you will usually already see an inbox. This is because your phone is typically set up with a Google account during initial setup, which automatically includes a Gmail address. If you don't see an account, you can sign in easily or add a new one. To add another email account, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Add another account. You may need to open the account switcher first. From there, you can choose the type of email provider you want to add, such as Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, Exchange, or another service. After signing in, you can switch between accounts anytime by tapping your profile icon again. Now, to send an email, tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner. This will open a new message window. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Every email address is unique, so you'll need to get it from the person you're contacting. Next, add a subject line. This works like a title for your email and helps the recipient understand what the message is about. After that, type your main message in the body section. For example, you might write something like, "Hi there, I hope you're well," and continue with your message as needed. If you want to attach something, tap the paperclip icon at the top.